Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where the color management is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now here's the first solution. Search for color management and go to the color management panel. Select this option, select the correct monitor and then select use this setting for my device. Click on add, okay, and then add a profile, any profile that you wish to add. And then you can select that profile and click on set as default profile. The next solution is to update the graphics card drivers. And how would we do that? So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and update drivers. Right click on the second one and update drivers. And the last one is to check the display settings. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the system tab, select display, okay, and then you can scroll down and make sure that the scale and resolution is selected at the recommended values. It could be anything, 125%, 150%, but it should be the recommended value. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.